Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete account in Slack. So at first, just go to your slack.com or just open up your app, then just sign into your Slack account using your email or Gmail or Apple ID. After that, you will be welcomed with this screen. Just go to any of the workspace, just open any of them. Then wait, the workspace is launching. You might have to click on use Slack in your browser. Then just give it some time to load it fully. And when it loads, on the bottom left, you'll see your avatar or profile icon. Just click on that. From here, just click on profile. And from here on the right hand side, you'll see this. From here, you need to click on this three dot icon and click on account settings. Then scroll all the way down inside the account settings and you'll find deactivate account. Now, before deleting our account, we need to deactivate our account. But before we can deactivate our account, we need to transfer the ownership or delete the workspace that we're admin of. So let's go ahead and delete the workspace. So just scroll all the way down and you'll find delete workspace. Just click on this. And from here, just put in your Slack password and make sure to click on I understand and click on yes. Then just click on OK. Then just give it some time. The workspace will be deleted. So you just gotta go back to your login screen and you gotta open up any other workspace. Just give it some time. Click on use Slack in your browser. Do the same step again. Click on your profile. Click on profile. Click on the three dot icon. Click on account settings. Then scroll all the way down. This time, as you're not the admin of any, you can see the deactivate your account button. Just click on that. And then just put in your password again and then just click on confirm password and your account will be deactivated. But after deactivation, your work is not done. Then you need to go to Google and search for Slack delete profile form and just search for this and go to the first link, request profile deletion. And after you have successfully deactivated account, you need to come here and fill up this request profile deletion form. And after that, Slack will contact you and delete your profile soon. And basically that is how to delete your Slack account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.